Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to digital learning lesson of Prep 3 English grammar last week February month. Topic conjunctional phrases. Before learning conjunctional phrases, let's revise conjunctions. You already have understanding of conjunctions with the name of linking verbs, connectors in previous grades. Conjunctions. Conjunction is a word or phrase used to combine words, phrases, and clauses. The kind of conjunctions are coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunction. Kinds of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunction: and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. Subordinating conjunctions: after, although, as, because, before, how, if, once, since, then, that, though, until, when, whereas, whether, while. Correlative conjunctions: both, and, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, as, whether or not. Coordinating conjunction. A coordinating conjunction is used to relate individual words, phrases, and independent clauses. Let's have some examples of coordinating conjunctions. Number 1. The students in this class are smart and active. Sarah didn't feel well, but she went to class. Number 3. A solution of city problems usually contains one or more related projects. Number 4. Neither the students nor the teacher is forbidden to smoke in the classroom. Number 5. I remembered the best teacher of this class, for it was once mine. Let's discuss subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction is used to introduce a dependent clause and shows the natural relationship between independent clause and dependent clause. Some examples are: after all, is said and done. What else could he do? Number 2. My servant goes to the market after my husband and me leave. Number 3. Although the man was tired, he never said a word to anyone. Number 4. As the director entered, all the attendants raised. Number 5. Please sign this letter before you go out. Correlative conjunction. Pair is used to link equivalent sentence elements. Let's have some examples of correlative conjunctions. Number 1. He was both degraded and expelled. Number 2. Either that man sinned or his brother. Number 3. That book is neither interesting nor accurate. Number 4. He was so foolish as to leave his car unlocked. Number 5. Yesterday it not only rained but also flooded. Two subjects connected by both and take a plural verb. When two subjects are connected by not only but also, either, or, neither, nor, the subject that is closer to that verb determines whether the verb is singular or plural. After discussing all about conjunction in detail, you can easily understand that what is conjunctional phrase. A conjunctional phrase conducts the function of conjunction. For example, Sabha started to work as soon as she woke up. Neither I nor my brother went to see the movie. Keeping all the understanding in your mind, now let's start practice task 1. Complete the following sentences using an appropriate conjunction. Number 1. We brought the food, dash they supplied the drink. Option A, but. Option B, and. Option C, or. Number 2. She was poor, dash she was honest. Number A, but. Option B, or. Option C, so. Number 3. We can go jogging, dash we can stay here. Option A and, option B but, option C or. Number 4. People liked her dash, she was honest. Option A so, option B because, option C but. Number 5. I will phone you dash I arrive. Option A as, option B while, option C when. Number 6. Dash you need help, just let me know. Option A if, option B unless, option C whether. Practice task 2. Question. Underline the conjunctional phrases in the following sentences. Now listen carefully and try to identify the conjunction in these sentences. Number 1. Myra as well as Nida is coming to join the party. Number 2. John talks as if he were the chairman of the company. Number 3. No sooner had we seen the thief than he started to run away. Number 4. The movie was not only boring but also money wasting. Number 5. Both Sarah and Sana were happy to come there. Number 6. The chairperson is trying to solve the issue as soon as possible. Number 7. Be careful while climbing the hills, otherwise you will fall. Number 8. Neither I nor my mom attended the program. Number 9. Please stay calm or leave. Number 10. We had very short time in hand and was confused whether to visit the place or not. Practice task 3. Circle the conjunction in the sentences below, then identify what type of conjunctions by circling the correct word at the end of the sentence. Number 1. John could not eat his dessert until he had finished his dinner. Coordinating, correlative, subordinating. Number 2. Myra ate her pie on the porch whenever she could. Coordinating, correlative, subordinating. Number 3. Ali and Vase were best friends. Coordinating, correlative, subordinating. Number 4. I am neither a ballerina nor a tap dancer. Coordinating, correlative, subordinating. Number 5. The boy cried and waited to get its mother's attention. Coordinating, correlative, subordinating. I will have both apple pie and the pumpkin pie for dessert on Thanksgiving Day. Coordinating, correlative, subordinating. Number 7. While in the classroom, you need to keep your voice down. Coordinating, correlative, subordinating. Number 8. After recess, the children hurried inside. Coordinating, correlative, subordinating. Number 9. The painting was either too wide or too tall to hang on the wall. Coordinating, correlative, subordinating.